God damn it. There we go. Welcome to another stream. Not super scuffed. Yeah, professional streamer right here. Fuck. Welcome to another stream, chat. How y'all doing today? It is Monday, the 14th of February of 2022. I guess that means it's Valenderpster. So, happy Valentine's Day, chat. But how y'all doing today? The plan for today is to go through pre-commit.ci's auto-update day, as we do. And then I have some bugs that I've been meaning to fix in pre-commit.ci for a while, so we will hopefully be taking a look at those. And time permitting, we'll work on Babby. I also have my Pokemon bot running in the background right now, so I will be doing one of those. I thought it was going to finish before stream started, but it did not, so that's going to go off at some point, and I'll play a little bit of Pokemon, but then I'll turn it off. We're not going to do another Pokemon stream. I'm going to be drinking Le Fin du Monde. And to celebrate something I can't tell you about. But you'll just have to trust me that I'm celebrating something good. But also, we have a new emote today. For those of you that want to check out this website. Yeah, w3schools.com. There we go. That's why I'm drinking today. 100%. But yeah, cheers, chat. We're drinking Le Fin du Monde. But let me say hi to everyone who is here, and then we'll get started. Oh, and I can show you the big size of the emote because it's real cute. But Belnathes and Didels were both here before the stream started. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, that was weird. How did you get unsubbed, Belnathes? Twitch. King Prime, so buggy. Anyway, thank you for the resub, Belnathes, again. And Didels, thank you for the premium chat bits right before stream started. JJMC is also here. Unnightly is here. Welcome back. I started without my camera, like a derp. Drunk Time Lord is here. Hello, hello. RKJ, hello. Professional streamer, yes, indeed. Drunk Time Lord says it's 4 a.m. Holy shit. Damn, dude, get some sleep. What are you doing? And Schwesht, which I probably mispronounced, but welcome. How you doing? You don't have a color. That's why you show up gray. Can you share what it's related? No, I can't. Not yet. I'll let y'all know soon enough. I cannot share though. But soon. Hit me like 2 or 3 times? That sucks. Oh, I'm not charged twice? Well, I don't know how you get charged twice for Twitch Prime. Or they charge you $0 twice. It's not the end of the world, right? Did I give chat a free button? What am I doing? You don't get a free... Nah. You know what? You get a free button today, chat. MDS Ubuntu, welcome back. And Loop327, good to see you again. Welcome. How are y'all doing on this Monday? This Monday day. Free button hype, yeah. Okay, so let's take a look at open source since last time, and I have a notification already. What are you? Add types adders. No, you don't understand how this works. Please check. Look, why don't you do this? Why don't you look at closed and see this? 2, 2, and 3. I should just archive this repo because I'm not going to update it. Yeah, I'm just not gonna update it. What? That's not how adders works. Adders is a third-party library. But anyway, then we get that out of the way. Open source since last time. I don't think I've done too much. No, that is not what I wanted. Where's the damn thing? Here we go. Here we go. Valentine's special, indeed. Yeah, free button on Valentine's. There you go. What is that emote? Try rave. I see. The title's not up to date. Fuck! I knew I forgot something. I knew I forgot something. Shit. Pre-commit.ci auto-update day. And then working on Babby? Question mark? There we go. Sorry. Forgot to update the title. Good call about not this. My bad. That means all the emails that got sent out are wrong. Shit. Oh well. Oh right, but I wanted to show you the new fancy emote that is live now. Here's the big version of it. The final big version of it. Oh yeah, I should add AWC hug to the title. Yeah, true. AWC hug. Let's look at how fucking adorable this is. But yeah, we have a new emote. The Devil Kid, hello, welcome back. How you doing? Yeah, now we've got heart and hug. Now you can love twice as much. Fancy. Oh, no, my eye twitch is back. Oh, I think I know why. I think I'm fucking stressed this week. iPad doesn't understand adders.define for me. It does understand adder.define. I think adders is the new alias. Yeah. I think you have to upgrade the plugin. Or upgrade the MyPy version. I don't remember. I don't remember. I guess I only did one thing since last time. Which was this was in Babby for some reason. So when you open multiple files, it puts this little number indicator here. It technically also puts that number indicator off screen over here. It just never displays. So it's a bit of a harmless bug, but it's kind of, you know, wasting some CPU cycles every time. So I got rid of that. We need a small Eevee plushie. Yeah, so we can have carpet and then like a plushie. a little tiny Eevee plushie. I wonder if there's, say, tiny Eevee plushie. Surely that's a thing, right? Surely I don't actually. Oh, this is like the perfect size. How do I get that? 8 inches is too big. That's gonna get clipped out of context. Shit. Let's see. I'm doing image search off screen because I don't want to show it on screen. That's what she said, yeah. Just as Marsha shows up. Hey, Marsha. Yo, Marsha. Oh. I said we weren't going to do Pokemon this stream, but we're gonna do one little bit of Pokemon. Because my thing has just noticed that there's a space-time thing. So it is beeping at me. So we're gonna do that real quick. Marsha, welcome back. Good to see you. Glitched Microwave, welcome to the stream. Yeah, it's beeping. It's beeping at me. Beep, beep, beep. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna do this real quick. Oh, I changed how the script works. And they didn't even open my link. Wait, what was your link? What was your link? The W3 schools? No. Wait, where is your link? I don't see your link at all. I think it got filtered. Yeah, I don't see your link at all. What are you talking about? Yeah, no link from you. Twitch must have just straight up filtered it. Hello? Okay, yeah, I changed the thing so now it pauses when it shows up. That way I can completely AFK it. Rather than what it was doing before where it didn't do that. So. Oh, you've got a Dixword link. Hold on, we'll look at it in a second. Let me land and get in the right spot, and then we can do that. I've also learned that I've done enough of these that they only show up in like 4 different locations. So they're not completely random. I think I'm safe here. I don't think anything will notice me. That Gligar might. Twitch doesn't like when you URL encode the domain name? Oh, do you have like a fancy other domain? What Yeah, that's a little messed up. What if you puny coded it? Oh, is this W3 schools but spelled out funny? Is cur OX77. Yeah, it totally is. Totally is W3 schools. That's funny. Does that even work though? I feel like that doesn't. I feel like that violates the spec. I feel like that violates the spec. It does 100%. Yeah, but Twitch still linkifies it, which is weird. What's really weird is they just like didn't even send your message. But how you doing, Marsha? Bunner noises. Wait, Marsha, did you see the new emote? Where's my new emote? Oh, I can just show you the big version. Oh, you can't even see it. Look at how cute, Marsha. Look at how cute. Okay. We're just waiting a little bit here. Okay, so I could get a tiny Eevee plushie for 1,000 yen, apparently. How much is it? Does anyone know what 1,000 yen is? I think I would have to import it too. Doesn't say how large it is though. Tiny shoulder ride Eevee character toy. Like $2? $10? $10 sounds about right. This is a machine translation. I don't know that it's like got a sticky thing on the bottom. I don't think this will work. Yeah, it's kind of weird. I don't think that tiny Eevee plushie is going to work. What about this one? Sticky thing on your bottom. Wait, the HTTPS one shows up? Actually, this one does show up. What the fuck? Does this link actually work? Oh wait, I gotta not do that because otherwise I die. Let me just copy this. Oh wait, never mind. We're just gonna do this. All right, give me a sec. Sorry, chat. we got Pokemon things to do, and then I'll turn off the game. We won't play after this. But this is what I've been doing all day while I'm at work. Is letting this play in the background. And no, don't do that. There we go. But how's your Monday going? I think auto update day today is going to be pretty boring, pretty straightforward, because I don't know anything. The only thing I know that bumped was ESLint, which yeah, is not going to be significant. What the fuck? Get down from there. Oh. Something's trying to attack me. Cranidos again. Oh, I got a shiny Pokemon. This shiny Pokemon today. Which is one of the rarest shiny Pokemon in the game, but not the one that I wanted. And I already have this one on another game. I also got a shiny Eevee. But yeah, again, not the one that I want. But that's fine. Shiny is still a shiny. And Eevee is pretty cute. Those, nope, not the rare spawn. There's the rare spawn. Wow, I got 3 Cranidos this time? That sucks. Okay, well, that's that. Let me get to a point where I can safely save. Then I will turn this off, and then we'll do programming, like I promised. Save. Flying into all, yeah, the game is a little interesting. But anyway, okay, programming time. Yeah, Tony, yeah. Man, I've had half my beer already. Oh, you're talking about Tony, like my Pokemon character. I got it. Not Tony, like Tony. But wait, does this link actually work? If I click on this link, holy shit, it does. Twitch. Wait, this actually works? This is Pretty sure this is a security vulnerability. Or at least a good phishing opportunity. Oh, sorry, I lost part of my fidget spinner. I was hitting it with my feetsies. Tony, the macaroni, the pizza! Yeah, exactly, RKJ. Exactly. Tony is Japanese for T-Demon? What? Hey, what's up, Flostru? Hello, hello. I thought you were just falling out of your chair. Listen. Listen. Not that inebriated. Funny, as you type it in the browser, it auto-converts the URL decoded values. What? Really? So, %77? What? It like tab completes to the fuck is this? What kind of cursed thing have you found? And it works too. Oh. The brain, it tickles. I don't know, don't yell at me. I know it's not your fault. But that's fucked up. That's real fucked up. Wild. Anyway, yeah, so I removed this from Babby. Doesn't really change anything. Just hopefully reduces some CPU cycles. Oh my god. This well, is this the same guy or is this just someone being? No, I think it's a different person. Anyway, there was someone being like a complete tool. And I was like, no, I'm not doing that. No. No. I bet you break your brain today? Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty cursed. Don't yell at me either. I didn't mean to steal all your shoes. My shoes? What have you done to my shoes, Glitched Microwave? Foster says, deployed my first web app on AWS yesterday. Ooh. No idea why it took 10 minutes to build, but it worked. What happened to my brain? Oh, okay, yeah, no, that is exactly, that's the answer, but you didn't know what my question was. My question was gonna be what components did you use, but you used Amplify. Okay, got it. But my brain was just like, nope, no brain anymore. How do speak? Beyond Twisted Meadows, welcome to the stream. And Wolfor, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Build takes 20 seconds locally. Yeah, that's kind of weird that it takes so long. My Lambda build takes like 3 seconds. And his brain is still trying to process zero encoded domain names working in browsers. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty wild. Okay, but anyway, that's our open source update. Let's take a look at CloudVatch and see what has happened. I'm gonna unplug my Switch controller. Has auto update day finished by stream start time? It should have finished today because we didn't have a big thing there. Oh, I saw that flash of error. AWS, what are you doing? What does this do? You can have sun and moon? What does this do? Oh, I was not ready for that. It is a night mode toggle. Well, there's a gap in my graph. Huh. Okay, but yes, auto update day finished at 22:50. So even if I would have started at 5, it would have been done. I thought Sun and Moon were Pokemon games. Yeah. I was like, oh, we got a star and we got a moon. Is it just me or are the lines thicker in dark mode? They're totally thicker in dark mode. Right? Or am I losing it? They're thicker, right? Right? Or is it an optical illusion? I wonder if they're done in CSS. Can I see? Rect. Are they all rectangles? No way. I don't want to debug a CSV. I was hoping it would just give me the thing. Never mind, we're not gonna look at this. I'm just gonna assume I'm right. Anyway, this seems fine. We still... Huh. Interesting. We still see this big spike, even though I don't think anything important updated this week. Unless Black did and I just didn't notice. Nope. Very weird. I don't know what this is about. But I do need to fix it at some point. Maybe today. Wait, did I call it a CSV? Did I call SVG CSV? Oh no. Alphenrod says definitely thicker. Okay, I'm not losing my mind. Butch says how to learn Unix on a Mac. Well, a Mac is a Unix system. It's a Unix system. But I think what you're actually asking is how to learn Linux, perhaps. My advice would be to set up a virtual machine and learn through that. Set up an Ubuntu VM, use VirtualBox or VMware or Parallels or whatever you're comfortable with on a Mac. And start trying to daily drive Linux. I don't know. It's kind of how I originally got started, but that was on Windows and Linux. Fritzy! Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. There are vertical lines blurring into each other in dark mode, but there are gaps in light mode. There's a gap in both of them here, but these are definitely thicker. Much thicker. Oh yeah, you can definitely tell. Yeah, there's gaps here. Yeah. No, that's what I understand what you mean. Yep, they're definitely thicker. Maybe it's because of Valentine's Day? They're thick because of Valentine's Day? What? Everything's a CSV if you don't think about it. Yes, it's just a comma-separated value file with no commas. The illustration's not a CSV, it's a Parquet? Oh my god. Oh, what a cursed joke, Belnothis. Also, I think if you would have told me that joke a year ago, I would not have understood what you meant. Also, I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing Parquet wrong. It's probably Parquet. I don't fucking know. It's data science bullshit. That's all I know. It's Franche? It does look Franche. It's Parquet? Okay, well. This is my brain being derp and pronouncing it Parquet because I've never heard it pronounced out loud. Only in my brain. But yeah, it's Franche. I have a Mac. Why would I install Ubuntu? I would never. You fucking asked, buddy. What? Why? Give me advice. Here's advice. No! Why would you give me advice? Oh man, you clipped my derp too. That's so funny. Isn't the Parquet a group of flowers? No, that's a bouquet. Bouquet. Bouquet? Fuck. Bouquet? You're only half period. Shh. 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 XSLX less than CSV. Yeah, that's kind of true. Oh, you were saying CSV is less than XSLX? Yo, XSLX is such a pain in the ass to deal with, though. Yeah, CSV is so much easier to parse. Yeah, 100%. As Sincarius says. Did you pregame? No, I did not. Admittedly, this beer is 9%. So XSLX gives you free brain aneurysm. Yeah, or you have to install a buggy library to read it in Python. Okay. Maybe do we want to figure out the spike today? I did say I was gonna try and figure out the spike. Is that what we're gonna do today? Are we gonna figure out what this spike is? Let's see how many we enqueued. Have you ever tried to print a PDF programmatically? Yes. It's bad. Why do you use Python, guys? It doesn't have static typing? Bruh, where have you been, Schwesht? Yo, Mitch! Mitch! How's it going? Mitch is awesome. Y'all should go follow Mitch. But first we gotta show Schwetch that Python does have static typing. He's just wrong. Look at these types. I think what you mean to say, Swetched, is that Python is not statically compiled. It's a little bit different. But it could be statically compiled. You could use mypyc. But yeah, this is all type checked. MyPy will tell me that, well, once it installs it, because maybe I should pull. Bah! Raid of none, it's all good, it's all good. Hopefully you had a good stream today, Mitch. Thank you for the raid. I'll see you around in the future. Hopefully you're going on a nice Valentine's date. Go, be gone. But thank you for stopping by and thank you for the raid. Yeah, my Valentine's date is with Twitch chat, so that's he has class. Oh, I see. They're not spikes if the top is flat. I guess that's fair. It's more like a plateau bump. Oh no, I'm talking about the orange. The orange is the one that matters more. These will always plateau at the top because of the way my auto-scaling responder-y thinger does. Yeah. Words. I had to program VBS last time. Yeah, VBScript. Whew. That takes me way back. Some of my first code was in Visual Basic. Visual Basic 5? 5 or 6? One of the two. One of the two. Have you ever tried making GIFs using Python? We will next week. Speaking of next week, I'm taking the whole week off. So I'm going to be streaming a bunch. So we should have... Anthony, it's time to let the dogs out. Yeah. We should have a bunch of streams next week. Oh, I forgot to say hi to Bedivere. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. But yeah, we should have a bunch of streams next week, which will be fun. I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe we'll do 12-hour streams. Maybe we'll do a subathon. I don't fucking know. I took the whole week off. we're gonna do whatever. Kenbiko! How you doing? Hello. Welcome. And Jacobs M1, welcome to the stream. What is statically compiled? What I mean by like has a compiler that produces a binary, which you can in Python. Oh, what's in t.py? Right. Not anything useful. Virtual env. Actually, let's get advent of code. Just to show you how it can make things zoomier. Anthony writes code AOC 2021. Let's find one that was slow, and we'll show how it can be sped up. We would want to find one of the ones that's in milliseconds. And I'm not 24 because I cheesed 24. Let's do... There was one that was like 4,000, right? Day 18. Did I cheese this one? No, I did not. Oh, I did this with regex. Okay, maybe this one won't get sped up. Yeah, it might. Let's try it. Virtual env venv. Yes. This might be a sloppy stream. D's nuts, welcome back. And Crow is also here. Are there many companies using PyPy for performance? I know Lyft is using PyPy. I know Yelp is using PyPy. I know Stripe is not using PyPy. But yes, it's pretty fucking good at that. Do you know if I can make a Docker file from an image? Not necessarily, but you can do Docker history. which will get you pretty close. Of course, for this, it's not that useful because the base image is just add giant file. But if we look at this one, for instance, Docker history, no trunk, this, you'll see that it originally came from, oh, sorry, workdir env big ol' apt-get install. And this comes from the base image. But yeah, it's possible to somewhat get back to it, but you can't get a full Docker image. Also, welcome back. Where did your name go? Wait, why do I see you here? Oh, there we go. How do you want me to say your name? Well, welcome back. Good to see you again. How you doing? Nuts. Yeah. Can you make a Docker file from an image of socks? Is a paint splatter a Perl program? So what is the correct way to do it? To make a Docker file before making an image? Yeah, usually you generate a Docker image from a Docker file. Going backwards is not, is lossy. These nuts says, which came first, the Docker image or the Docker file? Yeah, it's true. Is it okay to create a Mac executable that exposes jar and works by just running the jar? Yeah. I mean, you're going to need a JDK of some sort, or JRE. JRE? Have a runtime environment. Yeah, you'll need a JRE of some sort, but yeah, that'll work. Fritzy! Oh, I already said hi to you. But also hi to you again. I'm supposed to give my Docker image to my mentor. Did it push the Docker file? Oh, I mean, typically what you would do is you would check in the Docker file, and then some sort of build system would take the Docker file and generate an image. Your mentor may have been imprecise in their language. Typically, you would use your Docker file as your source distributable, and you would push your image to some registry. EaglePT, hello. Will it be secure? What do you mean, Schwest? What do you mean by secure? I've seen some people do Unix stuff, native stuff, but it won't have anything native. I mean, the JVM, sure, yeah, the JVM is not what you would consider a native, or at least the jar that you have is not what you would consider a native executable, because it's just Java bytecode that gets interpreted by a virtual machine. JVM is very insecure. I mean, not necessarily, but the JVM cares what you think. It's it has anxiety. They told me to do some SQL stuff today, and I just sat there for 2 hours waiting for access. Oh, I hate when that happens. Stupid bureaucracy that makes it hard to get your job done. It's such a pain in the ass. Dota! Hello, welcome back. It's memory? I mean, sure. MySQL comment not recognized. It sucks. What was I doing? Oh yeah, we were showing Zoom Go Fast with MyPyC. And also PyPy. Virtual VMP PyPy3. EP bin activate. I don't think this is actually going to work because I don't think Z3 works in PyPy. Could be wrong. Oh, no, it installed. I guess maybe it works. All right, but if we do, if we do CPython first, so Python 3 day 18 part 2. So this is CPython timing, and it gets there eventually, but it's kind of slow. If we do PyPy timing, p bin silly buttons. Thank you for the reset with Prime at 11 months. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. But yeah, we see here that PyPy is, this is not as significant of a change, mostly because I think almost all the time in day 18 is spent in regular expressions, so it's not surprising that it doesn't speed it up that much. Let's see if we do this. I think this is not going to work for other reasons. I think I might have to kill some stuff out of this module. Maybe it's going to work. Where did it put that? Wait, why are there 2 modules in there? Day 18, part 2. I think this is gonna crash for reasons. Yeah. There's some stuff that my PC doesn't understand. We can just hard code. My PC is not perfect. This is why this demo sucks every time I do this. Let's my PC there again. What's regular expressions? Regex, just me being trolly. But how you doing, silly buttons? Joe Spammer says, "Hey Anthony, what did you have for lunch today? Do you work from home?" I do indeed. I work remote from home. What did I have for lunch today? I think I skipped lunch. I skipped lunch. I can tell you what I had for breakfast. I had Greek yogurt with granola and frozen blueberries. Very good. It was very, very good. Alright, we gotta get rid of the test too. Because my PC does not understand the PyTest fuckery. And then we gotta rebuild it. Man, this is such a shit demo. I had a table up at some point. Oh, can I always overcompensate with SSD or CPU? It's kind of true. Wow, did my PC make it slower? It's slightly faster. Okay, that was a bad example because that one was all regular expressions. Let's find day 20. Day 20 one that I did, not cheesing it. Yeah, this one is not cheesing it. Okay, this one will be a better example. Get rid of the tests. Day 20 input.text. Okay, so let's try this one instead. So Python 3 time, Python 3 day 20 part 2. This should take like 8 seconds-ish, something like that. Z3OO. How does one stop feeling self-cringe? When you find out the answer to that, these nuts, let me know. Let me know. Okay, so CPython, 8800 milliseconds. PyPy. And again, PyPy would do better if it had a long-running process, but even here, it kicks the shit out of CPython here. 3300 milliseconds. Good. More than 2x improvement. And then if we do MyPyC. MyPyC doesn't support executables, so you gotta do weird shit like this. MyPyC should be somewhere between those two. Yeah, so that's kind of like a good comparison of their like speed ups here. Now PyPy would do better in long running processes. MyPyC is kind of like a constant compiled result here, and this is just like native interpreted speed. But you can see they all produce the same value. PyPy is like 2.5 times faster. MyPyC is about 50% faster. It's pretty good. Not bad. Have you tried with NumBudget? I have. The thing about Numba is it kind of needs you to be working with NumPy types, and I literally don't use NumPy ever. EU prototype, welcome, welcome. How you doing? Hello, hello. Ship it halabalas, welcome back. What is a regular expression? The perfect HTML parsing tool. I had chili, Super Bowl, etc. Oh yeah, I did watch the Super Bowl. Root canal for lunch. Oh fuck. It sucks. Well, you're feeling better now. What's the startup time? I mean, here's the full. This is the execution time. This is the full time. So 200 milliseconds, 100 or 70 milliseconds, and 70 milliseconds. So it does add a little bit of startup time because PyPy necessarily has to do some fancy stuff, but yeah. Import NumPy as MP. No. You don't really use NumPy? Are you sure? I mean, we did last stream. But yeah. Why did they name it NumPy instead of MP? Because data scientists are lazy. My tests ran in less than 1 second. All I care about is startup time. Yeah. They don't want you to do that, these nuts. This just is what lazy people have done. They've contorted NumPy into this terrible 2-letter thing. It says, I don't mean to worry about you, but next week. What's next week? Or are you telling me that I'm going to be disappointed in your code? Is that what you're telling me? There's NumPy in my code. Oh boy. Why though? Oh, wait, yeah, why? It's fine, whatever, fuck it. I can review NumPy, I just have no idea what's going on, which is fine. Pillow requires NumPy. Really? Really? It didn't used to. Programming is so stupid. Does it really require NumPy? I feel like it doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't require NumPy. You can use it with NumPy, but it doesn't require it. Marsha, what? Thanks, New York Times. Yeah, $120 for a pillow. Are you kidding? There's some real good pillows that are expensive, but hold up. Let's check out the best bed pillows of 2022. What a stupid article. This is literally just like an ad bed. This is gonna be like, here's some pillows. Why would they cut open the pillow like this? Why would they do this? This stupid article. Someone got paid to write this. Can you believe that? Autumn and Jackie, 2 people got paid to write this. Jesus. Wait, why is Leonard there? Leonard, you're on the ads. You're in the ads, buddy. Mary XD Chubby Blob, yeah. What I'm doing, I need it because RGB pixels require NumPy. I guess that's, yeah, sure, okay, that's fair. Who the fuck uses NumPy? All my friends use TensorFlow as TF. Yeah. I mean, I guess we can blame Google for not knowing that 99% of your searches are related to programming. Yeah, it's true. Getting a $50 pillow is my best investment. Yeah. I just got a $100 pillow, $120 pillow. I'm not complaining. It's great. I'm a big fan of it so far. One word search for pillow, Google gets blamed. It's not Python pillow library. Yeah, admittedly, I didn't think when I did that. And then I immediately was like, I am an idiot on stream, as I do. Google Ads know everything? Yeah. Why do they know Leonard? For $26, you too can own an authentic Anthony pillow that doesn't go on his bed. Oh, you're talking about Leonard? Yeah, true. True. But yeah, we did get the new rich things here. I wonder how much time this adds to the execution time. Because there was a time in npm where if you had the progress bars enabled, npm would take like 3 times as long than with the progress bars disabled. So there was a whole bunch of code that did this. I saw this pattern in a lot of code bases just because this turns off the progress bars. And it would be like 20 times faster, or 2 or 3 times faster. I'm curious how much the new progress bars add on top of the execution time. It would be neat if you could disable it. Can you? Pip install, that should help. You can turn them off. Let's see what we can see is the difference here. Pip download no caster pillow. Look, it's faster to do nothing. Oh, you like best of 5? Ooh, that one was fast. This is literally just profiling my network. Why was that one so much fast? Why is there so much variability here? I don't think it's gonna make any difference or noticeable difference here, but wait, there's progress equals emoji? What the fuck? Yeah, that's clearly working as intended. What the fuck is this? Oh, what the hell? What are the other options? I was not ready for that. ASCII pretty emoji. I wonder if it's just broken, that it just assumes maybe this only works on macOS. Because you'll notice that it also like goes off the edge of the screen here. Like I wonder if this is just like a oh, we can make it dance. Yeah, I wonder if this is just like a bug. Yeah, it looks fine there. But on an 80 character terminal, it looks stupid. Do we report a bug? Surely someone has reported this, right? Progress emoji. Option to force the progress bar. This appears to be done. Okay, no, that's unrelated. Okay, mug. Progress equals emoji. Rendering issues at terminal width equals 80. Does anyone have a clip? Does anyone have a clip of this? We can also just do when running pip install dash in progress equals emoji. The output and the terminal if it is at a character width due to wide characters. Expected behavior to not do that. If version 20.0.3. It doesn't matter, but 3.8.10, we went to 20.04. And what did I run? What I ran? Output C screenshot. Oh, this is there's no place to put my screenshot, is there? I guess I could put it up here. Ubuntu 20.04. That was easy to locate that screenshot. Preview. I guess we can paste the output because we have it. It sounds like it doesn't matter though. Custom progress bar styles are deprecated in pip 2020 22.1 will enforce this behavior change. What the fuck is this saying? A possible replacement is to use the default progress bar style. What? It's 22.0.3? Yes, that is indeed correct. Thank you. Good call. We even negotiated that feature? Yeah. Well, yeah, good stuff. Color Marku! Hello, hello, welcome back. There's a new progress bar? Yeah. Rich output got me on Windows, cannot decode the UTF-8. Yeah. Oh, I hate that my eye's twitching again. I might turn off my lights. I might make it better. 20H, thank you for the resub with Prime at 10 months. How has it already been 10 months? That's crazy. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. This is just gonna get closed as won't fix, given the deprecation message, almost certainly. Do I even bother creating this? I think I'm just not gonna bother. I don't give a shit. I don't want to get the emails that are gonna get replies to this. Whatever. I don't care. It's just funny. X! Thank you for the sub with Prime. I appreciate that as well. Good to see you again. Welcome, welcome. Screenshot? Yeah. Send them Umbreon pics? Oh no. Beastnut says, hey Anthony, don't miss this chance to show the stream. Yeah, that would have been the thing, right? But they're just gonna respond with works as intended. Yeah. You know what? We'll do one better. We don't need to make a bug report. We can just be like lol pip and then attach screenshot. There we go. I'll put pip install dash test progress equals emoji. Make the terminal. There we go. That'll accomplish the same goal, right? I guess this is pip download to be precise. Here's our alt text. There we go. That's approximately the same as making a GitHub issue, except I get clout from this. James Wine says hello and bye again because stupid late EU time. It's all right. It's all right. We'll have some early streams next week. I promise. Tony Abbott's balls. Welcome to the stream. And APX Plays. Welcome, welcome. Clickbait video idea. Coolest unknown pip feature of 2022. Yeah. Oh, did you see my my clickbait thumbnail today? I had a clickbait thumbnail today, chat. Look at this. Look, I made a clickbait thumbnail. Look at how cringe this is. Farming space-time distortions in Pokemon Legends Arceus with Python. And didn't work. No one clicked on it. But anyway, I made a clickbait thumbnail. Look at how far I've fallen, chat. God damn it. I saw your quick explanation of why you called it STD. Yeah, space-time distortion. Yes, that is why it's called STD. BRB gonna go click the bait. What you really have to do though is you have to go on here and do space-time distortion and then somehow land on my video. That's how you actually get this to make YouTube pop. You click on this. That's how you make it happen. But I didn't say distortion. Did I say distribution? Fuck! God damn it. Still waiting for the upload of Smash and Pass. I don't actually understand that meme. Did some like big YouTuber do that recently? Is that why it's a meme? Soon the YouTube channel will be filled with reaction content and VPN ads. No, we're not gonna. No, I will never be a reaction channel. I won't be a reaction channel. That's not gonna happen. No. Unless someone pays me a shit ton of money, but that's not gonna happen. We will not be a React channel. React channels are boring. Anthony reacts to becoming a React channel. Pog. No, Marsha. It's not happening. Okay, do we investigate the spike? Oh, I got an email for you. Oh no. What a fucking weird company name. Okay, I'll deal with that later. Company writes React. Oh, Markiplier did it. Oh, I see. I guess that would make sense. Tony Abbott's balls is how many screens do you have? Is this the image? Yeah. There you go. It's FAQ setup, but yes, good try, Kamiko. Canadian open source can be good short videos. But sometimes they're too spicy. I don't want to just whine on my YouTube channel, you know? You guys, you get the whining in Twitch. I don't want to whine on my YouTube channel. You can leave the drama out of that. It's a real tower machine. It's more like a box. It's more like a cube. But yeah, this is my stream setup. This is what it looks like. Everything's in exactly the same place that it would be as well. So, including iTunes up here, and my fidget spinners, which are over there. Although my desk is a little bit cleaner right here. Got a little bit more junk on it right now. I don't know if we can get it. You can kind of see all the junk over there. But yeah, Pylang, hello. It doesn't go all the way to the floor? What doesn't go all the way to the floor? Your old desk was cooler? This is my old desk. Right there. It's not gone. Still here. Trusty old desk. I did like the texture on it though. The desktop looks like it goes all the way to the floor. Oh yeah. Yeah, no, there's a cabinet here. There's a cabinet here. Yeah. That'd be fucking wild if this went all the way to the floor. Just like a goddamn server rack. But no, yeah, it stops about here. Your old desk was a dresser, though? I mean, still there. You can't talk about it like it's dead. Sorry myself. Anyway. I think today is the day we try and figure out what the fuck this spike is about. Wow, what a terrible... What is going on here? We thought that was a good idea. Look at this axis labeling. Like, what? Dresser? She's already dressed. She's already undressed. Can we go? No, she's not. Why I'm here with you, Twitch chat, on Valentine's Day. Just put the main display 10 centimeters closer to you and you'll be a professional Counter-Strike player. I'm fucking garbage at Counter-Strike. But how you doing, Easy Light? Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so somewhere around 1719. Is this in UTC? I think so. Yeah, these are in UTC. Then I should be able to find the runs from about that time period. This one. And this. Why are they in -5? This will be 1600, so it'll be in this log. And now these are in UTC again. Oh man, fucking Amazon. Okay, we gotta click this button until we get to 1719. Jesus. I know, I should just use this thing, right? UTC absolute 1719 to 17 wait to 1740. Oh, maybe we already are in the right time zone. Let's do to 1730. And then we'll look at those. Today, Valentine's Day? Yeah. You get stats all the way back in 1917? Yeah, you're right. First question when you look at graphs is this shit in UTC or local? The answer is always different. Yeah. UTC vibe is where I am? Yeah, yeah. Makes you want to move to Iceland? True. Start date and end date should not be blank. Fucking, I want today. Oh. 14, yeah? 14. Stupid. Spaceberry! Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Hey, Anthony, happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to you as well. What do you mean, no data? You're fucking me. And you didn't even ask. Ugh. That must be in local time? No, it said UTC. I'm just gonna click the button a bunch of times. I'm just gonna have to deal chat. I can't do date things apparently, so we're just clicking through here. We're looking for starts around 1719. Wait, what do you mean you can't go older? I guess that's why it didn't show up. Did I click on the wrong log group? That should have been the right one. Last event time. We want -5, so we got a +5, so we want... Why are these so close to each other? Should I click on this one when I meant to click on this one? No, I thought I clicked on this one. Whatever, we'll try both these. Yeah, no, this one is, that one's not new enough. I think this is the one we just clicked through. It's just gonna stop somewhere up in here. Oh, it's still going. The fuck? Where's the data between those two time periods? Because this isn't right, unless the Q data is wrong. Silly Bun says, today has been a good day to silence my phone. Ignoring 15 calls from the same girl. Damn. Humble brag, yeah. All these hotties just won't stop texting me, smacking my bongos. Yeah, exactly. 15 calls? God damn. No one called me today. Cry party. Yeah, all I have is Discord messages. Oh. My friend messaged me on Discord. They were very careful to not message me in a work chat. I think you're supposed to raise an exception instead of ignoring the call. Yeah. Okay, what the fuck though? Why? Where's my data? Is it in this other log group that's bugged? Like this? No. This one? Because this represents like a 30-second period here. I'm gonna see if it's in here. Yo, what the fuck, Amazon? Why is it in here? So stupid. So stupid. Okay, this is the time period I actually care about though. And yeah, I could use the filtering, but I'm just gonna click through now. Okay, this is the period that we care about. The ones that start? Well, they don't start then. Let's check out all these runs, and we're looking for a slow one. I think. Maybe? My data. How many repos do you have? You have 1 repo, so it's probably not you. I wonder if it's just a bunch of similarly named repos. Their run is kind of slow. Black Dog. What the fuck is this? Sounds like my thing, but different. Yeah, this sounds like a shitty version of what I wrote. Wait, they use pre-commit.ci also? Did I already comment on this? I did. BTW. Whatever. I don't give a shit. Reading logs, always fun times. Yeah. Okay, I don't think it's that one. Although that run was slow, but it shouldn't bog down the whole system. What I'm really looking for is something that takes a long time to install. Not that one. Could also just be that a bunch of very small repos run in a row. Should probably make these actual clickable links, but I think that's gonna be a pain in the ass. Oh, we already looked at that one. Oh, we don't really, we just want starts. Or we just want creates. We don't want to look at the others. How do I filter this? Create. Okay. We do see a whole bunch of creates all. I think that might just be what it is. There's a whole bunch of creates all at the same time. Yeah, I think that's what it is. There's just like a whole bunch of creates all in a row. And that's enough to trigger it? Maybe? Fish code. This just oh, it's dependabot. You fuck. It's always dependabot. Format other code. Is prettier? Mind tooth. Fish code. Yeah, it is prettier. Interesting. Interesting. I miss the time Amazon just sold the data and didn't delete it without asking. The ADS equivalent of hitting up 51 times to get to LS in the terminal? Yeah. I'd rather read a physical log. What about a natural log? I satisfied! Has resubbed it 19 months in a row. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again, I satisfied. Hopefully you're doing well. I satisfied. Have you seen the new emote? Kimiko's gotta go to work. Sounds good. Well, thank you for stopping by. Black Dog sounds like my thing, but different. Another humble brag. Not even a humble brag. It's just a straight up fucking brag. Yeah, there's a new emote. Isn't it adorbs? I love it. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Pretty good. I'm a fan. You're doing well? That's good to hear. How's your well, I mean, your Valentine's Day, you're on Twitch. I have questions. I satisfied. Shouldn't you be like at dinner or something? With what's her name? Mia? She's at school. Oh. School. Couldn't be me. You celebrated yesterday. Oh, cool. Well, that's good. Firebolt Lucas. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. This one spent a long time in the queue. You know what I think it is? I think it's just this one slow one up here. Plus a whole bunch being in queued seconds after each other, all piled up. That's what the problem is, maybe? I don't know. This is too inconvenient to read at the moment. I wonder if I just copy this. No. Stop. If we copy... This isn't even the right time period. We're trying to find 1719. Yeah, I was looking at the wrong period. Let's just copy all of this and do a little SETI set on it. What do you mean no matches? No. Plus. I shouldn't have done it that way. Oh. Results.pre-commit.ci /1. There we go. That's what I wanted, and there's some fuckery in the middle. Oops. Okay, so now in theory, if we open all these up, why are some of them shorter than others? Oh, install IDs. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Hey, look, there's Pillow. Can I do this? Is this a bad idea? Oh, it worked. Can you export? Yeah, probably. Make a small script to read execution time. Yeah. It's a Python pillow. Still in a meeting, can't hear you. Okay. But yes, it is pillow is one of them in here. What the fuck? This one took forever. God. because it's doing Control Tab stupidly. Okay, so it's not any of these. These all seem... Oh, there's a private repo in there. That one's pretty quick. This one's pretty quick. This one is a little bit slower. Oh, they have Pylint configured in dumb ways where it's verbose. That one's a little bit slower, but probably not the problem. Seems fine. This one's slow. And it triggered rewrites, so that could have been it. BJ Little. Interesting name. Oh, it's a fork too. It's just chewing up CPU time for no reason. It's annoying. Oh, that's not what I want to do. Right. We can't do Control Tab because it's broken in this browser for some reason. That one's kind of slow, but doesn't seem to be the problem. This is the first one that's really slow. Oh. Took 3 minutes to clone this repo? What the fuck is this repo? Also, lol. Oh, I see. I see what this repo is. I think we're just gonna ban this repo. WF Coding, are you in chat? Sometimes you're here. Well, I think you dislike me now for some reason. We're just gonna ban this repo. I'm pretty sure that's the problem. I should also clearly set a smaller timeout for cloning. Because 3 minutes is fucking absurd. Yeah. Let's adjust our clone timeout. How is the clone timeout so long though? Run clone. Type 0 clone. Two calls, 3 retries, 60 plus timeouts, 60-second timeout on each. Jesus. That's almost certainly the problem. Well, we can just start by banning the repo. We're gonna do both of things. My block list. Web. So, is it in here? Repo block list. Block slow cloning repository. BJ Little so innocent? Yeah. Okay, well, there's one of the problems. But let's also reduce the clone time to 30 seconds. Minutes. A minute for cloning is absurd. I mean, even 30 seconds is kind of absurd. Yeah. Runner scripts setup 0 clone. I'm gonna change this to 30. I'll even go lower. Why does it need it twice, though, is the question. Timeout. Because it runs it 3 times. Fetch. Short SHAs are not shallow fetchable. Dev Lesky, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Color Mugu has made me stand up. Okay. I think I'll get my flirp flirps. Jackie, how are you doing? Welcome back. Good to see you again. How does one measure absurdity? That's a good question. I don't know. But how are you doing? Good to see you again. It's been a while. How have you been? Okay, so it's literally just one fetch. So I don't know why it's 3 minutes. I guess it's probably just getting lucky. Yeah, so probably pretty, I guess if we look at the history of this repo, we can probably see that it times out a lot. Yeah. It frequently times out at 3 minutes. So what happened here is it got very lucky and succeeded on the 3rd retry. That's crazy. That's crazy. Okay. But if we change the timeout to 30 seconds, that'll be a little bit better. Should back up less. There we go. 2 calls, 3 retries, 30 plus 5 seconds timeout. 2 calls? I think there's only 1 call. It's just wrong. Well, there's only 1 call. There's only 1 call. But 2 branches. You know, I'm just gonna leave it. I'm pretty sure it's wrong. But run.clone. No, it only does 1 call. Frogweb says, do your flirp flirps match your Perushies? They do not. They're just boring Nike flirp flirps. Super System, welcome to the stream. Hi Anthony, I had a question for you. I began programming in Python in 2016-2017. At the time it was not used in production environments, hence a lack of jobs using the language. I see that has changed significantly. Could you explain why this change occurred? I don't know that that's true, because I worked on Python in production in 2012. And constantly between 2012 and now, so I don't really know that that's changed much. If anything, has gotten more popular, but no, why you weren't able to find a production Python job in 2016-2017. That was when I was searching for jobs. Well, and that's when I landed at Lyft. Yeah, I think we're gonna change this to not be. I think we're gonna change this to not be 2 times 3. It should just be 3 times. Two calls, 3 retries. We're gonna do this. And as I roll this out, I will watch the requeue count. The free queue count spikes. Then I'll know it's a mistake, but I'm pretty sure. Initial decomp commit. Oh, this used to be in a different repo? Where did this used to be in? Shit. Where did I decomp this from? Fuck. I think there's an archived repo here somewhere. It'll have the actual history. I can delete anything. Z archive builder. Z archive builder? What did I name it? Underscore builder. Z archived builder with underscores. Z archived builder. There we go. Two calls, 3 retries. Oh no, did I modify and do stuff at the same time? I have the wrong repo? Maybe in this one? Or did I do too much at the same time? I don't really want to go back and read the streams from then. Ah. Definitely not here. I did a dumb thing, chat. I did a dumb thing. Where, I just don't have the, I don't have the original code in here. Oh well. I'm gonna assume it's a mistake. At least adoption has increased. I think that's kind of true. Frog Whip says wiggle. Because I'm wiggling. Yeah. Yeah. Dev says only know a few things from Python, but probably Python 3 brought some refreshing to the language. It also brought some strife and pain and all sorts of other stuff. But yeah. My comments were binary than intended. That's fair, it's fair. Hey, what's up, Ender? Hello, hello. Meeting over, I'm back. What did I miss? What pillows did you do this time? We found the slow. We found one of the slow reasons, which is this repo, and that my clone time is a little more permissive than it should be. I'm gonna decrease the timeout on this and block this repo. We were trying to figure out my logic for that. We're trying to figure out why I did this in the first place. But I also have opened them all up in tabs. But we were trying to figure out why. Unfortunately, it all shows up in this one commit here where I just added everything. But apparently when I developed this, I both modified and copied code in at the same time. So instead of it being one clean commit with the actual reason why I did things, it's all just one mega commit. Which sucks. I did this on January 1st, 2021? I streamed that day, so I can at least go back and watch the stream, but yeah, all the code ended up here in one patch, so I don't know where I don't know where this came from is the problem. But this I think this is just wrong. I think this is one call at 3 retries. And that's what I'm confused about. Is why it says that it's 2 and why past me thought this was supposed to be 2. But we're changing it to 1 and adjusting the time here. And we gotta change the test as well. Reduce clone timeout. I think there's other places where that'll show up as well. This gets used for other stuff too, doesn't it? I guess not. Anyway. What exactly is it cloning that takes 3 minutes? A bunch of zip files. A bunch of chunky zip files. Probably gigs of zip files. Probably not good reasons. Reduce clone timeout from 60 seconds to 30 seconds. Okay, push this at the same time. This will just block that repo in general. GitHub doesn't give me a good way to disable repos without banning the whole user or doing something in my webhook, unfortunately. So I really only use this for extreme cases. Just this. But we'll also look through the rest of those because there might be more slow ones. So we figured this one out. That's one of our culprits. This one actually wasn't a problem, but was kind of slow, but not the actual problem. That one's definitely a problem. This one suffered from the queue time, but was fast otherwise. Suffered from the queue. Yeah, it's just kind of like slow bleeding after this. This one was fast, but suffered from the queue. Same. Is, oh, the same one as before. I guess this one got a rewrite, so took a little bit longer because it ran twice, but not the actual problem. Seem fast. Let's use this URL. I should maybe make pre-commit.ci change git colon / / to HTTPS. Actually, how does this succeed? Because GitHub banned git colon / recently, didn't they? I feel like they did. It's cloning literally people, yeah. Super Sister says, I plan to go back to writing Python. Thanks for streams. Yeah, no problem. It's annoying when you have a routine and the one day you deviate is the blooming dang day you need to not deviate. Ominous that it's named Doomed? Yeah. Ace! Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. But this is a fork. And this PR has probably just been repeatedly auto-updated over and over and over. This was only forked recently. Interesting. What does their pre-commit config look like? That's dumb. Oh, it doesn't get auto-updated because it can't be cloned. Oh, that's funny. That's interesting. Why are these all git colon / though? Wait, why did these ones get updated? Oh, I know why this didn't get updated. Because this references a hook that got deleted. Interesting. Interesting. What a wild regex this is. Huh. Well, that one's, again, not the problem, but interesting nonetheless. Last one. Yeah, I think they all just suffered from that one run there. So hopefully banning that one repo will just fix this problem forever. Private repo. This one got merged. But yeah, like some of these repos clone in like hundreds of milliseconds versus minutes. So a pretty big difference in those. Okay, I think that solves that problem. Hopefully we won't see that anymore. Knock on wood. Cross fingers. But okay, that was useful. And I have a technique to find these in the future. Okay, that was a good exercise. This is deployed to dev, so we need to do deploy prod, please. This is past test, so we can merge it. This. Okay, but we wanted to check how many got in queued. Always check that every week. Wow, we're over 10,000. That jumped by almost 1,000 since last week, right? 10,797. What were we here? Oh, we were at 10,000 last week. Did I just not check it last week? Wow. Pretty staggering growth for week over week. Added almost 1,000 repos in 2 weeks. Oh. Hopefully it doesn't cost too much. I just need a few more paying customers and then it'll be good. Oh, we're over 1,000 installs. Wow, we did it, chat. We made it. And by we, I guess it's mostly just me. 450,000 runs. Many completed repos? Only about 50%? Look at the most recent install. I don't know how to do that. They're not ordered in any way. Did you install? Did you install it on your Among Us gift thing? I saw it got open sourced. I don't actually know why I got a notification for it. Is it because I follow you? Is that what it is? No? I don't know why I got notified for this, because I don't think I'm watching this repo. Oh, I am watching the repo. Okay, that would make sense. Got it. Got it. Is this what you were talking about? This doesn't have pre-commit.ci. Oh, you probably added it? I see. Did they pay you to write this? No, I wrote this myself. I wrote it for me. How much are your costs at the moment? Here, I'm gonna look at them off screen in case there's not something. I'm gonna make sure that there's not personal info, and then I can show you guys what my bill is. Most of it goes to credits at the moment, but my credits are gonna run out soon. Tayu, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh, they changed the billing page. to January. Okay, so it's gonna show up as 0, but that's because it's all credits right now, but it won't be credits in the future. My current cost is $140 a month. That includes support, which will also go away as well. But API gateway is $1. This will be 0. That'll be 0. Data transfer will be like 1 penny. I guess it was 0 that month. Dynamo will be a few cents. Oh, I keep clicking on the same fucking thing. Dynamo's 4 cents. This is where most of mine is compute, which I can actually reduce by using reserved instances, but it's actually cheaper for me to not do them right now because I use credits. Kill myself service didn't cost me anything. I guess I was in free tier. Nice. Lambda, I guess I'm also still in free tier. Secrets will be a little bit. They're all relatively free. S3 is getting kind of expensive, and support will go away. Support's only there because I have credit account. Compute is EC2, yeah. Instances essentially, auto scaling group. But this is my current cost. Well, this was last month's cost. This month will be more. But yeah, we were there for you at least. Yeah, good job, us, you. Yeah. Mini Traga says, have you thought about putting these statistics in a graph, total runs and installs? Yeah, I could just put it into my dashboard. Like I have these numbers here. I could add those down at the bottom. Gree 255 2255, yes. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. I couldn't tell whether it was 225 or 255, but yes. Sounds pretty cheap. Well, let me tell you, I engineered it very well such that it is cheap. Cheap. But I could make it faster or different, and it would be like I can kind of control the costs in a way. But because I had added you to one of the repos on my phone. Oh, I see. I just added it, nothing's running it. Okay, cool. Actually pretty cheap for thousands of repos. Thousands of installs. 1K installs, which is crazy. Let me see how many paying customers I have. I can't show you this because that's actually private data. Marketplace, pre-commit. Insights. Oh, we got a new subscriber this week. Thanks. Got a new customer this week. Or this week. What's this thing? Huh. There's a digital advertising company. Anyway. Let's see. Past month. I have 15 paying customers at the moment. Not that many, but enough that it is cash flow positive. Barely. Pre-commit has so much potential for growth. Yeah, I agree, CMY. It's such a cool tool. But yeah. I think like you get a couple small companies and it easily pays. That was cheap too. I mean, it's not so bad. Could you show what the deploy prod please workflow does? There you go. It does it. It deploys the prod. We're implementing it at work now. I'll see why. You could just have your work pay me instead for an already pre-built service that does what you want. Although if you're not on GitHub, I gotta get GitLab support at some point. Hopefully if I had GitLab, it'll be easy to add others as well. I assume you want to see what the actual code does, Jonah Spammer? Sure, I can show you that. Refresh this so that the little icon goes away. So what the workflow does is It has two triggers. One is on issue comment. This is to get the deploy prod please. And I can also workflow dispatch, so I can manually do a prod deploy if I need to deploy to a particular revision. It specifically looks for a comment that is an issue comment on a pull request that contains the text deploy prod please, or it is a workflow dispatch. And if it does that, it grabs the pull request information, finds the merge commit SHA, and the PR number. Otherwise it does this, and then after that it clones, and then clones the scripts, and then it downloads the built artifact from the PR run, and it jams it into Lambda, and then makes a comment afterwards. That's basically all it does. Yo says I'm new. What app is he talking about? I am talking about pre-commit.ci. Oops, I meant to type that into the address bar. pre-commit.ci, which is a CI system based around the pre-commit tool, which is an open source linter code formatter runner framework thing that I wrote. The main idea behind pre-commit.ci is it's super fast. It uses the pre-commit config that you already have, and it can auto fix your pull requests if you have formatters set up properly. So often it will take a pull request from being red to green. It's also zoomy fast, way faster than other comparable free CI providers. It has nice caching, and it'll periodically update your repositories to the latest versions. Coolest new app on the block for all the cool kids. The crazy thing, Ace, is the first commit of pre-commit.ci was almost 2 years ago. It has almost been 2 years since I started working on this. Admittedly, we haven't done much in the last year, mostly just maintenance stuff, but yeah, it's been about 2 years, which is kind of nuts. Kind of nuts. Oh right, did I merge and deploy all those things? I don't know that I did. Yo, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you are doing well. I don't think I deployed this one. But maybe we won't deploy this. Maybe we'll just let it go to staging, because I have another thing that I want to work on in this repo today. We'll get that done. Email. That email. YouTube wants me to share my love notes with shorts. All right, YouTube. Chill, buddy. Chill. Fucking chill. Okay. But yeah, I think we have finally fixed the spike, hopefully. We'll see if we get the spike next week. Hopefully not, but we will see. Which should also fix the queue time metrics as well. We will get rid of this queue time spike, which is good. Which is very good. Very good. Good news, everybody. Alright, so let's talk about the thing that I want to fix today. Boxing Ninjas! Welcome back. Good to see you again. Hello, hello. What did I want to fix today? Let me fill your emails. Actually, we can just go here. Pretty sure it is in our errors log. Graph looks better than the last time I was here for auto update day. Were you here for Black Day? Because Black Day was kind of nuts. And that was also sort of to be expected because Black's popular. Today's auto update day was fairly quiet. Not much happened. I think this is just a... It's not the one that I was thinking of. I got paged earlier this week. No, it's not going to be that one either. That one's just going to be GitHub being slow sometimes. Look at this one. Yes. Okay. And there is an unprocessable entity error when a repo gets deleted or removed from the GitHub installation. So you can see if I look at tier 4 here, install GitHub tier 4. We look for autoware.universe. You'll see that it's not listed here, but it was at some point. We go to autoware.universe. You'll see that they used to have pre-commit.ci set up, and they disabled it 3 days ago. They disabled it and triggered a commit at the same time. So one of, maybe not this commit, but some other commit. Yeah, this one. They disabled the app and pushed the commit like within seconds of each other, and so this never finished. And this is where that stack trace comes from. We're gonna try and fix that today. I'm gonna put my desk down and I'm gonna go fill up my water. So I will be right back and I will see you in a sec. All right, we're back. Hello, hello. Okay, so I happened to notice while I was grabbing my water that I have like a bunch of Twitter notifications. Even Pip is getting into Whirl now. Oh no. Wait, these are not the notifications that I imagined. I guess I didn't put the command here, so people don't know why it bugged out, but that's fine anyway. Okay, so let's figure out how we can reproduce this problem, and then we'll work on fixing it. Repo deleted from install. So we've already fixed this problem for the auto updater. We have not fixed this for the runner. So let's see what we did for the auto updater. It's not the branch protection. Repo not in install or repo deleted. So we need to handle basically these set of errors as well in the runner. How does this work? Git installation access choke. Huh. Yeah, so I guess we can just finish early here. So it's not quite the same step code as before, but we can basically take this same approach here and wrap this installation token here. And that should actually just fix the same set of problems that we had before. And we actually have the same set of classes here. It's the same error message. So that's kind of interesting. We don't have the same set of things here though. Gotta do some other stuff. Blech. Okay, so process item. We want to do this. We'll put a function way up somewhere. Wait, what are all these for? Oh, these show up in the messages. Got it. Got it. Okay, so it should be in here. Do I really want to do it like this? I mean, this would be nice to be able to test it. Yeah, I think we'll just copy the same code here. So it kind of sucks that it's copy pasted, but it is whatever. Let me copy the test too. There's only 2 tests. Not terrible. Oh. That'll do. We'll copy paste sometimes. Yoink? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. We are doing a bit of the yoink here. Mm-hmm. Mock.returnValue.enter.returnValue. Yeah, so this is the way that you mock a context manager. So this call here gets accessed as this here. So call return value, enter return value. That's why it's a little bit fiddly there. HTTP. Oh. Early exit. So we can import that as well. Did I not save? Okay. That works at least. Install ID, repository IDs. We can actually do try. And then we want to add a step. Where do our steps get? Oh, maybe we should. Oh, but these are out of order. Ugh. Hmm. We can just make a step. Yeah. Run, finish, failure. Step. How do I make a step? Run step.make. Lazowick, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Just do... this. And the step will be there. And we won't be able to send a status here because we were not able to get a token, so we can't send a status. Then we can just re-raise. That easy. We don't even need this. That seems too easy. Robotican! Happy Valentine's Day indeed. How you doing? Oh, this only works that. I want to test this. Happy Valentine's Day, can't complain? I mean, you could. You could complain. How do I test this? What's up, Time Traveler? Hello. I kind of want to make a fake entry point that just calls this. Oh, but process item takes a queue receipt. Oh, so I can't really do that. Oh, that's annoying. Because it sets this. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Yeah. I'm Lazowick. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Everybody says can't complain. Can't complain on Valentine's Day? When I'm streaming? Oh no. What? Oh, my friend messaged me that they got a shiny Pokemon. That's funny. I wonder if I've used everything listed in the about, maybe not the libsass bindings. Yeah, the libsass bindings would be the rarest one there. Marsha says hello, handsome. Hi, Marsha. How are you doing? Did I really fuck up my regex? Oh, we want EO. Really? Only 5 handsomes from oh, maybe I gotta do grep-i. Oh, there we go. That's better. I guess you capitalize handsome. Interesting, time traveler. Alt F4 has raided. Oh my god, I missed it. How you doing? How you doing, VG? How's your Monday going? Hello, hello. Atoda is here. How you doing, Atoda? And Schmiley. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. How's your Valentine's Day going? Opti's here. Pawn base. Welcome, welcome. Is it Socks is in the proxy? Yeah. Here are all the people that have said handsome in my chat. Which Marshall, you're beating Juice. Good man, spent most of my day working on job DevOps stuff. Nice, nice. How is that? How's that? Only 2 handsomes from Juice Bonks, yeah. The word handsome seems kind of weird the more you look at it. It's like hands. Some hands. I don't fucking know. Just doesn't look like a word the more I stare at it. What's the term for that? There's a term for that. I can't remember the term for that. There's a term for not remembering the term for that. It was great until this happened. Notice the URL. Oh no, Alpine? Wait. Just Alpine in general? Alpine in general. Semantic satiation. Thank you, Marsha. Thank you. But yeah, the Alpine, they changed something in 3.15 that like broke ABI compatibility with like all of Python, which was fun. I think they fixed that though. English language is the term for words that don't look right when the more you stare at them. True. True. Oh, the CDN is down? Well, that's even more fucked. That's a big bummer. Okay, so unfortunately, I don't think I have a good way of validating this in staging. Well, I guess I could take down prod. Or take down staging, not prod. Pre-commit.ci env equals alias profile equals default python -m runner.worker. Think I can do this? I don't know, we haven't done this in a while. See what this does. It should tell me that nothing is running, maybe? Did my URL encode a domain name request and cause the Alpine Linux CDN to go down? I hope not. What error code is it done borked? Oh, it's pulling a Docker image. Okay. No route to host. Oh god, what did it try and do? Oh, it tried to do auto scaling stuff. We're gonna turn that off temporarily. I wonder what else it's gonna try and hit in the metadata service. This might not work anymore. This used to work fine. Let's see what happens. I need to ask you a question. Should we upload our VODs to YouTube? Do you see any value in that? So, I upload my VODs to YouTube. But I also have educational content that's separate. I used to put them on the same channel. And the only benefit that I got out of it was once I reached 1,000 subs on YouTube, which I'm not there yet on my VODs channel, then you can monetize your VODs. Some people prefer to watch them on YouTube versus Twitch just because the player is better. But if you're not uploading other content, there's not really much benefit. Yeah, I occasionally go back and look at my old VODs and like pull stuff out of them, but not too often. Is there another data request somewhere? Get instance ID. I thought I got rid of that. Auto scaling. Oh. Get rid of all the auto scaling. Will 100% have other content? I was more worried about them being mixed. Yeah. Yeah, being mixed is actually bad. That is why I have 2 separate channels. And if you look at my analytics on my main channel, now there's probably other lurking variables here. But if you look at analytics here and we go back a year, so you can see where there's like a pretty significant bump here. This is right here is where I split my channels. Like right in November. Now this was one popular video, so you can kind of ignore that bump there. But even this like is significantly higher than it was back here. Oh no, actually this is where I split my channel. October of 2021. So you can see this was when I had mixed content, and then this is when I had just educational content. And the algorithm loves uniformity. So it's not a big bump here, but yeah, I would split them. That's at least that's what I did, and that's what my people that actually do YouTube do. We need to be verified then. Yeah, my channel, yeah, that's the like my second channel is not verified yet either, which like sucks. But can't upload a video more than 15 minutes before being verified? Wait. Oh, you can just verified's easy. You just authorize your email. I thought you were talking about monetized or channel URL. Because you can, I'm pretty sure for verification you just put in your email and you just click a button. It's basically just their like CAPTCHA thing. Because yeah, like my first video on this channel, I thought you need 100 subscribers. No, that's for a vanity URL. But yeah, like I was able to upload immediately on this channel a 4-hour video. So I don't think you need. Then again, I think I also was just like, hey, everyone subscribe here so I can get a vanity URL. Let's see if I look at the analytics for this for my second channel. This video did not do well. Rip. Oh, not just life. Analytics. Interesting. I should upload more regularly, I guess. I usually just put everything up on one day. Subscribers. Yeah, I guess I got 100 subscribers on the first day. So maybe I was just like, yo, everyone sub. Although, can I zoom in? Why? Oh, I got negative views. Oh, negative subscribers. Oh, okay, well, I guess that's fine. How do I scroll? Never mind. I don't fucking know what I'm talking about. There are definitely 10-hour Baby Shark videos from unverified channels. Yeah, so there's like 3 levels of verification on YouTube. There's the like email verify, there's the vanity URL verify, there's monetize verify, I guess there's 4. And then there's the check mark. I don't have a check mark. Check marks are for like real fancy channels. Oh, need else has maybe the answer? Verified can do longer. Verify an account. Oh yeah, easy. Yeah, okay, so it's just super easy then. Yeah, that's what I thought. Months. Lance Adams, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Or is it Lance Adam S? I guess it would be Lance. Oh, it's Lance Adams S. I see. Anyway, YouTubes. Okay, what was I doing? Oh, it's actually working. So now I should be able to not print. I should be able to trigger a run. Oh, I'm actually gonna go to AWS EC2 describe instances. Oops. We can actually shut down the dev instance of this. You know, I should maybe make it print the account ID in the terminal. That would maybe be a good idea. That way I don't accidentally prod, you know? Where'd my to-do go? There it is. Put account ID in PS1 on runner instances. There has to be an existing project that does that. I mean, probably. Yeah, but I could also just like curl the metadata URL and do it that way, which is probably what I'm gonna do. No need to pull in a project when you can just do it. Unless it's significantly complicated, and then sure, yeah, pull in a project. System, no. Systemctl? Stop pre-commit.ci worker.service sudo probably. Failed to stop. Oh, it's because I can't spell. Okay, cool. Stopped. So now if I trigger run here, then it should run on my local machine. In theory. In theory. I don't know if that's true though. This should pick up a run? Maybe? Yes, in fact it's erroring. Because I called the function wrong. Missing named argument permissions for access token. We don't actually use permissions, do we? That actually specifies them there. Dictster, okay, so it's optional, so we can actually just get rid of it. Oh shit, it's the drop song chat. Okay, so it should do the run now. Show us your curl commands? I'd have to look up AWS EC2 metadata URL. Retrieve the instance metadata. This one. And then you can just curl this and you can get instance metadata accounts name. You know, account ID is really easy. Instance identity document. Oh look, it's doing runs here. Why did it do 2 runs? What the fuck happened here? One of you trolling me? No? Why did it do... Yeah, why did it do 3 runs here? What the fuck happened? Did it in 2 runs. Like, I don't know what this run is. Maybe I just don't understand the output? No? I don't know. But this is what I wanted to look at. I guess we can get a count ID. We can't get the, we would have to call the AWS command to get the actual account name. Anyway, fine. Yeah, I don't want to actually get the, I want just the anonymous one. I don't want to have to pull out the full user identity. But yeah, Smiley, that would work. On one hand, I'm past the deadline. On the other hand, I'm almost finished. Yeah, right. Right. Okay. Leave that. Let me figure out why this did 2 runs. What are you? Wow, I'm surprised this thing worked. Last time I tried it, it didn't. Okay, so let me results dev.precommit. Let me make sure that it actually did that many runs. Install GitHub utility 2. Demo. Yeah, why did it run 3 times? What? Oh, you know what happened? Because I controlled seed it re-triggered this run. Interesting. Huh. And this is a rerun of this, but different merge commit. Maybe fix that. Yeah, whatever, it doesn't. Okay, but what I need to do to trigger this race condition is do the same thing, but while it is running, remove it from the repository. So I need to do this. I need to press this button and then press this button. And it should queue a run that errors? Maybe I did it too quickly. I think I did it too quickly. Fuck. It was too fast. Damn it. Okay, let's try that again. We need to remove you. We need to edit you again. And commit. And then maybe like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now This will error. And now it should run again, and it should fail to get the thing. And happened. This should be yellow because we removed it, but this should be failed. Yes. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Cool. Okay. That works well. Let's put it back so that I'm not confused next time I test this. Let's re-trigger the runs. Yeah, pretty nice, isn't it, CMY? It worked exactly as intended. Sure, this still works. Did I not press button? Why are we getting 403s? Hello? Was I too quick here? Have we broken GitHub? What happened here? Oh, that's gonna send me a page. Why is this here but not? What is going on here? Manage. Demo. Save. Okay, now it's there. Will you break GitHub every single week? Yeah, but that's usually on Saturday. Today's not Saturday, so I don't know what's going on here. What the fuck, GitHub? What the fuck? Let's try a different repo. Hey, look at that, it's the weekend again. Yeah, right? Let's try this repo since we didn't muck around with this. I think GitHub has right now. Yeah, this repo is working fine. So I've cursed the other repo, presumably. This one's working fine. So we got a failed run, and then an autofix run. But it is a little troubling that this repo is broken in some way. Let's see if we just make a new file. Reamd, welcome. Actually, I don't. Yeah, no, that will page me. Yeah, what the fuck, GitHub? Oh no, we've put it in some terrible state. Welp. Maybe it's cached somewhere? Yeah, probably. Probably. I guess I just won't test with this repo anymore because it's cursed. But, oh well, we know the code works. Ash the Ruler, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. We can Control C this, and Status, we can just do start. Not going in. Robotic head. Rename it to cursed? Yeah, exactly. You know what? I bet if I rename it, the thing will fix itself. That might actually be a good idea. Cursed. Let's see if it gets reflected here. Yeah, that part of my code works fine. But these are all fucked for some reason. Let's see if that fixed it though. Why do I not remember how to use journal CTL? Oh, it's -f -s unit? Yeah, no, that repo is still cursed. It's still cursed. Still cursed. Okay, well. Don't know how I cursed this repo, but we can delete it and recreate it. Yeah, I'm just gonna delete it and recreate it. We don't really care about this guy existing. And that'll actually test another workflow that we haven't tested in a while. Do you get deleted? Hey, nice. I'll just remake another repo called demo. Let's add it to pre-commit.ci. Okay, good, it's working. Oh, we need a pre-commit config. Duh. Yeah. Pre-commit config. Wow, it's tab completed. Look at that. Repos. Repo. .0.1 hooks. ID and a file fixer. And we'll do trailing white space. Yeah, that message is fine. Let's do it as a pull request. That way it just generates something for us. It'll auto-fix the contents of the repo. Okay, this repo is uncursed. Wild. Well, yeah, good. Mine will work to easy light, but I guess not. Oh well. Butch Microwave says, I like looking at all the things on your screen and pretending that I understand them. I mean, to be clear, I don't know that I completely understand what GitHub did there either, so yeah. Anyway, now we have, I gotta do all these settings that I always do. Turn off wikis, turn off issues, turn off projects, auto, no? This one, no? They moved the spot where it is. This is the one that I want. Okay, so that repo is better now. Okay. Ooh, that's not what I wanted. No. No. Yes. And yes. And no. And quit. Oh. Oh no, our copy-pasted code is diverging. Handle repo deleted. Handle access token errors. We'll just amend in. Actually, we'll just do it like this. Handle access token errors. Copied from autoupdater. Installation deleted. Deleted. Repo deleted. Repo removed from installation. Typoed the word head. What kind of trackball is that? S Tuesday evening? Not a trackball at all. This is a fidget toy. What are you? Oh. Nice. Oh. I think I don't need to watch this anymore. But also, I'm not going to spoil it for next week. Did check out -p, another one I haven't seen? Yeah. It's like get add -p, but for checkout. Or whatever the get restore, or whatever it's called now. I don't know what the new name is for it. Because, I am not up to date on the new git commands. Still think I can speed this up and this up. I get reduced by 3-ish seconds. Actually, I can reduce this too. So I think I could cut off, let's see, about 4-ish seconds from every build, something like that. I'm just trying to get pre-commit to run a few times. Nice, nice. Bold of you to assume I've seen get add -p. Well, get add -p is pretty good too. It looks like a massage ball. It's metallic. It's heavy. It's like a fancy paperweight that spins and looks pretty. And that's why I like it. Toto Bita-kun, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I have no idea what I just said. But welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Tony-chan! That's me. Yeah, I think this looks good. I'm gonna validate this one in the staging environment though. This one got deployed, yes. Okay. We're gonna deploy over that. Wow, we're gonna deploy 2 changes at once. Crazy. Never do that. We gotta wait like 10 minutes for those to deploy because building AMIs takes a while. So we're gonna wait for that. While that is going, what else can we do? Oh, I think I had a new idea that I wanted to do. Remember what it was though. That's why I wrote it down. A very heavy massage ball. This would not. It would not work so well as a massage ball. Yeah, you can kind of see the thing there, but not nice bearings in it. Oh yeah. I don't think I'm actually gonna. I feel like this would be a stupid popular thing to do, but I don't see how I would get out of maintaining it because I don't want to maintain it. Indie Gang, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. The idea behind this being that you would take a Docker image, you would run Docker rebase on it, and you could like reorder layers or cut layers or join layers or basically do what get rebase-i does, but for Docker images. And I think I could make it work, but Gabazar says, hi, Anthony. I was wondering if you have any experience / thoughts on GitLab. I do have some experience with GitLab. I don't really like it, to be honest. I have not been a fan of using GitLab. I feel like their user experience is awful. Everything else about it is kind of fine. What's the VS Code on save plugin? So I don't use VS Code, but a lot of people use VS Code. I want to learn how their on-save mechanism works. Partially because Microsoft is developing a Flick 8 plugin, and I want to see how much work it would be to maintain something like that, or understand something like that, and or implement something for pre-commit. But I would have to learn more about that. Oh, isn't this not necessary anymore? Didn't GitHub just release a thing for this? I could have sworn they did. I saw a blog post about it. Maybe, am I misremembering? Am I imagining this? Let's find some older branch. Is there like an update branch button somewhere? I could have sworn there was a button to do it. But maybe I'm wrong? I don't even know where the button would be. Browse the branch itself, not the PR? Would it have to be my branch? I know that functionality, but I thought they added it to pull requests. That's all I really care about is pull requests. But I don't see the button here. Maybe it doesn't exist. Shrugs. GitLab is great, especially for a small company. Yeah, I mean, I guess by like cost. Comes with project management, Notion clone, and Slack clone, and container repo. Yeah, but they all kind of suck. Like GitHub just does things poorly, or GitLab just does things poorly. Would it have to do some rebuilding of the following layers after layer rebasing? I still don't understand Docker layers fully. Is it like some sort of tar-gz magic? The a Docker image is basically like a linked list of tarballs. And combining layers would just be jamming their contents together and refiddling the metadata to point at the right layers and fixing up the SHA ones and blah blah blah. The SHA 286 is probably not SHA ones. Hopefully they're not SHA ones. There would just be a lot of like file munging magic stuff. What is this Sticks of Butter website? This is a disgusting idea I've had for a very, very long time, which is just a visualization message methodology for weight loss or weight gain. So for example, at the beginning of the pandemic, I weighed 165 pounds. At my peak weight during the pandemic, I weighed 192. That was plus 27 pounds. And in the US, we have sticks of butter, and they are quarter-pound sticks. 1 stick of butter in pounds. Yeah, so they're quarter pounds. So I want to make a website where you put in a weight gain or weight loss, and it just gives you a disgusting pyramid view of how many sticks of butter it is, because that's basically equivalent. That's basically equivalent to how much weight you would gain or lose. So you can imagine like 100 sticks of butter. Just like imagine the mass of 100 sticks of butter. That's how much weight I put on. That's just a disgusting thought. Because it's basically the same density as fat. Butter is. So that's why I would want to make that. But yeah, that's the sticks of butter idea. Shut up and take my money. Yeah. But yes, and then give it non-freedom units view, and like I think the actual goal would be to find like a dairy company that would want to sponsor it, and with the assumption that it would be like a viral advertising thing. I think that would be the cool thing to do. But yeah, anyway, that's the Sticks to Butter website. They jumped on devs earlier, so I think they had a head start versus Actions. Yeah, but GitLab CI is so much shittier than GitHub Actions. It's like so much worse. I mean, they're both not great, but somehow GitLab's is way worse. The only thing I use GitLab for, Docker registry, because the Docker registry is unlimited free. Please don't copy me so they don't change it. Yeah. I mean, GitHub's registry is free as well at the moment. Robotic Head says, I used to be a stick figure when I was 18, not at 35. I'm starting to look like a balloon. Oh no. Box of Ninja says, would that be the same as Docker Squash? Not quite. Remember, right? Docker Squash just takes an image and flattens it. But I want more control. I want to be able to cut out layers and remove layers, and yeah, this is just for flattening layers. I want like full rebase -i essentially. But Devo Bandito, hello, welcome. Make the website overly complicated and overly engineered. I think I would just want to make it like, I don't know, simple Hello World React app kind of thing. Make an API so you can send weights to it and have a butter dashboard so you can see every day the weight gain loss in butter. Yeah. Yeah. It may create a negative image of butter, so I'm not sure a dairy company would be interested. I mean, any exposure is exposure, right? But yeah, you're kind of right. Butter, but butter is delicious and just fat. So like, I don't know why it would be negative, but sure. Yeah, this got closed because it rebooted the box, so it's onto the deploying stage. We're almost deployed. Here, should show up soon. Maybe a vegan milk company would sponsor it. Look at all this disgusting butter. Buy our vegan milk. Wait, what is there vegan butter? I guess it's just vegetable oil. Like or like coconut oil. Yeah, what the fuck is vegan butter? Is it just salted coconut? That sounds kind of gross. Vegan butter. How to make vegan butter. Yeah, it's coconut. With yellow food coloring, probably? What is the yellowing? Soy milk, apple cider vinegar. Let's sit and curdle. Ugh. Gross. No. That just sounds awful. Snow! Hello. How is your co-working, Snow? Welcome. You missed it, Snow. The other stream we were we were automating something in Pokemon, and it kept detecting the snow, and we're like, ah, damn it, Snow. Why do you say Anthonk? What did I do? What happened? We were just looking at vegan butter and this disgusting recipe. Oh, do you have a better one? I gotta make sure this isn't I mean, their website looks better. It took way for fucking too long to load. I missed something being called gross. Oh, yeah. We were watching, was it this recipe? How to make vegan butter. And the first step is combine soy milk and apple cider vinegar. Combine acid with soy milk and let it curdle. It's just ugh. 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 What disgusting rabbit hole have we entered down? Yeah, exactly. But this website certainly looks better. They don't really show it though. I want to see the product. Maybe if I click on these. See, when they don't show you the product, that's when my Concerned alarm bells start going off. Oh, I guess here's the product. Except somebody spent way too much on animations and not on practicality. Am I going vegan? No, I love cheese and yeah. So I guess let me back up, Snow. So I was showing chat my ideas page, and they were like, "What is this Sticks of Butter website? What are you talking about here?" Have I told you about my Sticks of Butter website, Snow? Have I told you about my genius, disgusting idea? Didn't know soybeans had nipples to milk. So the idea behind the Sticks of Butter website is it's a weight loss or weight gain visualization tool. So for instance, at the beginning of the pandemic, I weighed 165. At my peak weight during the pandemic, I weighed 192. That's 27 pounds of weight gain during the pandemic. And a stick of butter is 1/4 of a pound, and it's basically the same density as body fat. Very similar. So you can basically think of 1 pound of weight gain being approximately 4 sticks of butter. And so if you want an incredibly disgusting visualization, I put on 98 sticks of butter during the pandemic. And so I want a website with like a slider or like a number button thing, and it just makes like a fucking pyramid of sticks of butter. That's the Sticks of Butter website. Pre-commit support for C? I mean, the problem with C is there's so many different ways to make it work. ... Do you not like my ideas now? What the fuck is wrong with Americans hating butter and things one can't believe aren't butter? It's not about hating butter, it's just a good proxy for approximately the same density and nutritional content as fat. Somniactic says, weirdly my brain thinks of that as like only 94. That's not bad. 98. But yeah. V2.0 will be sticks of lard. Yeah, I mean, it's basically the same thing though, right? Maybe I'll take this on for you in my web design journey. Anthonk.butter. Is there a .butter TLD? There's no way. Butter TLD. I hope not. Okay, there isn't. Yeah, why would there be a .butter TLD? I mean, there could be. You can also just pay, like, what is it? $1,000 to get a TLD? Is that how that works? How much does a TLD cost? Oh, never mind. $185,000. Jesus. Most fucking expensive domain name ever. Oh, that's just the application. There's even more. Probably a recurring fee too? Seems unnecessarily expensive. Yeah. Problem with the TLD is having to maintain the infrastructure for a TLD. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so this should be deployed to dev now. We should be able to validate dev, even though we already kind of did, but we had to redo everything because... Oh, we want to make a reamd. And the reamd. Hi, reamd. Hello. Hi. Intentional trailing white space so that we trigger the thing and make sure it still works. But then you can have websites like buttermy.butter. Yeah. Yeah. I wonder if we can get like .er or something. View the list, click here. You can get .beer. Butter.beer. ER. We could get but.er. That's probably taken though. Not gonna open that one on stream. But.er. Wait, why did it not load? Oh, is this probably com.but.er or something like that? But.er. Wiki er tld. .er. No known registry site. Registered domains less than 70. Okay, well, I guess we can't do that. Oh, they're also beneath com.er. Okay, so we can't use .er. Rip. I can't believe it's not .butter. Fairdroid, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Oh, I might have already said that. If I did, you get 2 hellos. That's the way things go today, I guess. Do. Okay. Cool. That looks good. Oi, prod, please. And I think I can get rid of a bunch of to-dos now. If the repo is deleted between Q and run, it ends up in dead letter. Done. Is that it? No, that's it? Dang it. Okay, well, I have a bunch of emails that I can delete because... Oh. Whoops. Remember when we broke the thing? It ended up paging me. So... I gotta resolve the page. Oh, that means we get to do chat's favorite thing. Are you ready, chat? Ready for the CAPTCHA?
Number 9.
Hey, it's up DigitalOcean TV. Hello, hello. Oof, you hate to see it. Wait, are you like DigitalOcean? Are you actually? Are Is this extremely topical as I log into AWS? Oh shit, it's actually DigitalOcean. Well, that's cool. Welcome, welcome. Will the real DigitalOcean please stand up? Yeah. Well, welcome to the stream, DigitalOcean. They got me too. well then, about that. I mean, I could have used DigitalOcean, but I did not had more experience in AWS, so I went with this. Oh, that's the wrong account. Almost trying to log into prod, but we want dev. Oh, you know what I can do? I bet I can just re-queue the old ones without having to log in. Yeah, I'd rather not log in. Because of the code we just wrote. Pre-commit.ci AWS profile default rips.requeue runs? Is it run or runs? Run. Yeah, in the cursed repo. Repo was cursed. GitHub done goof. Also, Alt F4 has gifted a sub to DigitalOcean TV. Do you have cool audio captchas like AWS? Goldex Pepe, welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Yeah, we've got a celebrity in the chat. Alt F4 is here. I'm just kidding. Repo's curse, GitHub done goofed. Yes. Repository existed, but GitHub always gave this back a 403. Also, this is dev. I'm just writing a note for myself because I keep track of all of the pages in my email. Still have to fix. Repo is disabled. The user is shadow banned. If not handled shadow banning yet. I'm just gonna archive it for now because I didn't keep the stack traces. So the next time it happens, I will fix it. Oh, did I run the deploy prod? I think I forgot to. Well, let's see if these ended up in deadloader again. It did not. Cool. Our code works. Nice. Let us deploy to prod. Where is my prod? Oh, we did. It's on its way. It's on its way to prod. High priority feature request funny voices reading caption numbers. Yeah. But yeah, now DigitalOcean, you have some of the best emotes on Twitch, including this brand new one. Wait, which? We now have 2 facing right and 2 facing left. Oh wait, we have 3 facing right and 2 facing left. No wait. I don't fucking know. Anyway, we have some number facing left and some number facing right. Yes, I will follow the DigitalOcean account. Because I'm curious what you're up to. The pager we have is so poorly implemented that it pages everyone twice a day, so everyone just deletes it unread. Oh no. That's the worst. That is until we get our design team to make some emotes for our channel. True. My DigitalOcean. Well, they're not in here. I have all my Hacktoberfest t-shirts. I just got the new one. The new one just came in. Which is fun. Do I have this open? I don't know what it's about. Okay, so we're just waiting for this to deploy to prod. We can actually watch the progress because I think I fixed the thing. 2 branches. Wait, 2 branches. Oh, yeah. This was my extremely over-engineered AMI shrinker. That worked really well, but ended up only saving like $3 a year. The amount of time I worked on this was absolutely not worth it. It was a cool idea though, but no, in no way worth it. But I liked the code, so I kept it around, and I'm probably just gonna keep the code around forever, even though I'm never gonna actually use it. Why are you guys so awesome? Go put it on. Okay, I can go. Let me go see if I can find it. I'll be right back. I could only find 3 of the years. The other ones must be in the wash. But here is, what year was this? Not say on it. 2018. AI Brain, hello. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Got 2018. 2019 must be in the wash. I think I have 2017 somewhere too. Here's 2020. And I just got 2021 like 2 days ago. Here's 2021's. Well, I guess I should put it on the big screen so you can actually see. There's 2021 and 2020 and 2018. 2019 I think is in the wash. I've got more than you. I've been in this game for too long. Do you want to see my shirt folding technique? Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I don't really have a place to just like set stuff down on. Well, you'll just have to take my word for it. There's like a really fast way to fold t-shirts by just laying them down like this, grabbing in the middle, going over, and then boom, folded, and it shows the nice logo, and then you can just stick it in the drawer like that. Kitchen cam, yeah, I could set up kitchen cam. By the time I set up kitchen cam, I would have already folded all the shirts anyway, so it's not really worth it. But yeah, this year it took a really long time to get delivered. 2021 I decided to plant a tree. True. Fair. How do you handle race conditions when somebody sends the same post at the same time? Ooh. I mean like replayed requests? Yeah, it's a common problem in in computers in general. Like typically you have to think about some way to uniqueify them and make them idempotent. There's a check in the request checking if the ID already exists. File hash, but it erases. Unique constraint violations in the database. I guess, I mean, one way would be to just make your code handle a unique constraint violation gracefully. Alt4 says, I'm not saying I won't wear a DigitalOcean swag on stream if you send us some. Eyes. eyes, yeah. Lifehack NCS song is missing? Yeah, true. So Maxim says, there's a tutorial to fold that way somewhere on YouTube. It's pretty fantastic. Yeah, crazy thing is, I think I watched it on dig.com in like 2004 or something like that. And I showed my mom and she's like, this changes everything. And I think that's like one of my mom's favorite things that she ever learned was that fancy way of folding t-shirts. Wirelight Soft Dev says, I see no coding or game dev going on here. All right, fine. We'll switch back to the actual. There, are you happy now? Are you happy now? Don't threaten us with a good time, and by a good time I mean wonderful native advertising. Yeah, true. Commentator, welcome. Hello. Nice shirt. It looks lovely on you. Oh, you mean my shark shirt? Yeah. Or are you talking about the Hacktoberfest shirts? You're so old. Yeah, Dig was forever ago. Yeah. Not dick.com, Dig. D-I-double-G, which is now just like I think it's just an advertising reel. Yeah, it kind of went to shit after they like sold out. Like these are all syndicated. It was basically Reddit before Reddit. But then Dig V2 ruined everything. I can actually tell you when I stopped using Dig based on the creation date of my Reddit account. Let's see. When did my Reddit account get created? 11 years ago. So 2011, I guess, was when Dig V2 or V3 or whatever happened. Yeah. Rip that, I guess. Pari says, I'm disappointed my sub notification still hasn't been fixed. Really? Well, thank you for the resub, Pari. I still did not get any notification. You must be like weirdly shadow banned or something. Or just like GitHub hates that there's a 4 there. I don't know what's up with that. The blue shirt? Oh, this one? Yeah. I like the it's like I think it's the 2019 one is like a cyberpunk theme. I like that one. That one's really good. I used to have their screensaver. Nice. Are we thirsting Anthony again? I mean, isn't that the whole stream? I'm Shadowman? Maybe. I don't know. You could try messaging support. They're usually pretty good about it. Especially if you're like, yo, I'm paying for a sub and not getting my sub notification. What the fuck? They'll usually fix something for you. 2011 wasn't 11 years ago. It was like 3. Yeah. They tried very hard to change Dig and it was awful. They pretty much killed it in one swift stroke. Yes. There was a site I used to look at nothing. That was weird. There was like a really loud sound outside that went. And then a thud. I don't know what it was though, but it was a weird noise. Anyway. What are you? What game are you making? Oh, I'm not making a game. I do software development. I build tools and software for developers for the most part. So I mostly do open source Python stuff. Some of the tools that I maintain that you might have heard of are not Python itself, but I have contributed to Python. PyTest is one of the tools that I've made or contributed to. I'm a core dev on this. I made pre-commit.ci, which is a linter code formatter framework thing. We're working on pre-commit.ci today, which is a CI system based around pre-commit. I'm the primary maintainer of Flake8, which is a linter framework for Python. I also maintain Dead Snakes, which is forward ports and back ports of Pythons for Ubuntu. What else? What else is of note? I don't know, there's a whole bunch of other stuff too. But yeah, I do a lot of Python stuff. Top Shaker says, I'm new here, wanted to know if it is possible to write scripts for games on Python, and if yes, do you know how? Yeah. I don't know much about games, to be honest. I do know Pygame exists. I don't know how good it is or what it does. Anthony just said games are not software. Shit, I said the quiet thing out loud. That's not true though. That's not true though. When I think open source, I think free, or do people make money off open source? Not enough. Yeah. What are your thoughts on code formatters? I love code formatters. I've written a bunch myself. And I use a bunch myself. Wednesday's video goes over all of the tools that I use in Python. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, and on Wednesday I will go over every single tool that that I use and how they all work and why I use them, etc., etc. But on Wednesday I'm going to go over my entire Python project setup, all the tools I use, and all the other stuff there. It's a beefy 32-minute video, but it's a pretty good one. But also, I guess on the topic of code formatters, I did a video last week about how to make your own code formatter, and I go over the approaches and tools that I use to build some of my formatters, like PyUpgrade, not trailing comma, and such and such. But you don't like the black code formatter? Yeah, I'm not. Black makes some aggressive decisions that I don't like. But yeah. Wednesday's video is titled Anthony Writes Code Exposed. He writes code that writes code. It's kind of true. Oh, Rapsim, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, that was yeah, I'm not quite going down that clickbait rabbit hole quite yet. I'm not selling out for the clicks yet. I say as my YouTube thumbnail today was literally just a clickbait thumbnail. It's not actually clickbait though. Like, this exactly is what happens in the video. So I don't know, whatever. Yeah, you can post links in the chat. We let links happen here because it's a programming channel, so of course you're gonna post links. Kiwi's the whole thing for making games. Oh yeah, Kiwi is kind of, I mean, it's not necessarily for games, but it does work that way. Yeah, you can. You work with threading? Yeah, I've used threading. You can even post URL encoded links in the chat. Yeah, that broke my brain today. I don't quite know how to feel about that. But anyway, what are we at for 3 hours? Yeah, I think that's probably gonna wrap us up for today. Now that we're we fixed some things. Oh, I forgot to check if the dead letter was 0. Sorry. Let me check one thing first. Yep, 0's nice. Sick. Okay, cool. Yeah, that is gonna wrap us up for today. Let me do my little spiel, and then we will find a channel to send you all off to. Do scheduled CI runs to get them access have access to secrets? I think they do. Yes, they do, because that's how pre-commit.com deploys via scheduled task. Yes, they do. Yes, my name is Anthony. I upload educational content to YouTube 3 times a week, and that is at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. If you want a particularly good video, this one I thought was really good, and tomorrow's will be really good, so check those out. Subscribe there. If you missed any part of the stream and you want to catch up on that, I also upload to my second channel, my VODs channel, where you can check out content there. And I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday. Oh, by tomorrow's I mean Wednesday. Yes, that's correct. Yes, I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. Whoops, that's not what I want to do. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I basically announce what I'm going to work on, and then we work on it, and sometimes post absurd screenshots that who knows what's going on. And next week, we're going to be streaming early because Monday is a holiday, and I'm taking the week off work. And we'll probably be streaming more days next week as well. Butter screenshots, yeah. Hey, what's up, Leonard SH? It's been a while. Right as I'm heading out, but good to see you again. But yeah, that's gonna wrap us up for today. Wait, which holiday? President's Day is on the 21st. Presumably you have it off as well. I'm pretty sure your company gives you it off. It's D-Doll's birthday, yeah. Alright, let's go find someone to raid.